are we going to see the disappearance of good old-fashioned wires anytime soon? Absolutely not. There's too much trust in the financial system in order for anybody to make a fast switch. What are the advantages of sending wires over stablecoins today, right? Let's just think about how a wire is sent. So financial institutions, let's say if you're sending a wire domestically, we know that they run on domestic rails. They're institution to institution. Institutions have to back these values. You know that the person sending it, they must have had that value in their account before they sent it. The institution receiving it, they've communicated with the institution that sent it to ensure that that store value, that fiat currency is going to be deposited in the beneficiary's account. But let's think about how stablecoins move, right? And so they move wallet to wallet. But what happens if something goes wrong? What happens if I accidentally send someone more than I was supposed to? What's the recall method, right? Yeah, I can tell you on chain, hey, I accidentally fat fingered an extra couple of zeros in the back of that amount I was supposed to send you. So instead of 100, it's 10,000. Oops, I need to make a recall. Well, guess what? That person doesn't have to make a recall. You can't call the bank to say, I accidentally sent that. Can you reverse that wire? You can't reverse it. It's gone. And so if you have a bad actor on the other side of that transaction, they don't have to there's no rebate. There's no calling your bank. There's no calling your credit card to say, I don't like that transaction. It's gone, right? And so, there's real risk in processing transactions this way. Once it's out the door, it's gone, right? If your wallet gets hacked of all your stablecoin, if the exchange gets hacked of all their assets, those funds are gone forever. There's no recouping that, right? And so this is real risk. Like, these are real. This happens, you just look it up. Just Google exchange hacks and see how much assets have been transferred from exchanges to bad actors. And the same can happen with stablecoin, right? And so not only do you have that real risk, and there's no government backing of this again, so there's no FDIC insurance or other insurance provided by other governments. So we run the real risk of values being transferred to bad actors, our transactions that are erroneous, not being corrected. So I think, this is why the adoption rate for, let's say, more professional actors is going to be a bit slower. Because you have to ask yourself, do the risk, do the benefits outweigh the risk? Do I really need to get it there instantaneous, or can I wait a second to get it there the next day? Because if I get it there the next day going through wire channels, I have recourse, right? So, this is real. This is why there's not going to be this massive switch.